what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede community from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm teaching you guys how to play Man on the Moon by the great R.E.M. Cool. Let's see. We're in standard tuning and we don't have any bar chords, so that's really good news. Actually, the song is in G major, but it starts in C major, first finger, second finger, third finger, to D major. Let's just make that D, not D major. First finger, second finger, mute the high E string. So C, D, C, 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 D, 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 C, C, C. Here's the strumming pad. Up, 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 down, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up. Times, and then for the pre-chorus we're gonna go to A minor, first finger, second finger, third finger, to G major, second finger, third pinky, A minor, G major, A minor, to D major, or that just D. Okay, let's do that one more time before we get to the chorus. C, D, C, C, C. Alright, let's hit the pre-chorus. So the chorus is G, A minor, C, and then B over A. So G, A minor, C. It's a push there. So that's first finger on B string, first fret, and from C you go down to the B note right there. So G, A minor, C, G, A to D, G, minor, C. There, stay on A minor. Back to verse. C, 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 D, D, D. Let's go to pre-chorus. A minor to G, A minor to G, alright, chorus. G, A minor, C, D major, A minor, C, guitar solo, E minor, second finger, third finger, E minor, to D, E minor, to D, E minor, to D. They stay longer here. Back to verse. Third verse is really mellow. Pre-chorus. Let's go to that guitar solo again. One, two, three, four, chorus. One more time, come on. I think they'll end on E minor. Cool. So that's the parts. Verses C D C. Pre-chorus A minor G, A minor G, A minor G to D, and then the chorus. And then the guitar solo, little melody thing, E minor to D. Cool. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with more great hits. Be safe. Take care.